All right, we are launching right behind our cottage here at Castaways on Sanibel Island. I'm kind of keeping it simple today. I'm just doing strictly live shrimp. They've been doing pretty good in blind pass on live shrimp. So I am gonna give it a shot. Just bringing 3 rods, one for a free line, one with a Carolina rig, and one with a float, all rigged, ready to go for live shrimp. So let me get out on the water and head over to Blind Pass and we'll get started. There we go. Finally got some. Oh, nice mangrove. Nice mangrove. Be good eating. There we go. Nice mangrove. All right, let's let them go. Got him. There we go. Not what I was looking for. Yep. What's it? Got him? Yeah, got him. What do I got? Yep. There we go. Nice whiting. Got another one. What do I got? Feels like a whiting. Man. I guess I better start keeping these whiting. There we go, that's better. That's a nice trout. Got him. Nice. Nice, nice. There we go. Beautiful trout. Nice trout. Got him. I think it's another trout. No. Oh, it's a stupid catfish. God, I hate catfish. Oh yeah, all right, what do we got? All right, another nice little whiting.